Good morning, it's Tuesday the 11th of June and time for more tax assist tips. And before I start this week's clip, I just wanted to say that after 46 episodes of Tax Assist Tips Tuesdays, I thought it was time we asked if anybody had any requests about anything that they'd like covered in these videos. Today I just wanted to reiterate who needs to do a tax return. Still barely a week goes by and we don't see somebody who's surprised that they've had to do a tax return. And the first thing to say, of course, is that this is a self-policing environment. In many cases, the only way HMRC are going to know you need to do a tax return is because you're going to tell them. You can't wait for them to come knocking at your door. So obviously, if you're in business, you have to do a tax return because you'll have income or potentially losses that haven't been taxed, or losses that you want to track so that going forward you can get relief against future profits. But there are other scenarios, such as receiving money for renting out a property. And that could be traditional residential lettings, or it might be Airbnb, for example, or just renting a room. And then other types of income like tips and commissions, income from savings, dividends, income from overseas. And also if you're receiving a child benefit and either you or your partner have income over £50,000. So there are a lot of scenarios there where you have to do a tax return. And then there are times when you may wish to do a tax return to get some income tax relief. You may, for example, have some expenses to do with your employment that are actually allowed to be deducted from your income to give you some tax relief. And if you don't do a tax return, you may never get that relief. So as always, if you're in any doubt, just get in touch. Our initial consultation is always free. And if there's anything you want us to cover in these Tax Assist Tips videos, just let me know. Thank you.